Hey, are we good in blue?
I gotta smell.
Alright, you guys ready? You guys ready? You guys ready?
We going?
Yeah, go, 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 go. Ah! Hey, watch out, watch out. We're getting shot over here.
Holy shit. I had green tape in there.
Hey, can we get in here?
You just got jumped over by three guys.
In blue?
Yeah.
Alright, we gotta get a guy, two guys suppressing, and we gotta get guys moving in. Try to do a high-low, get the corner on them. High-low, maybe one goes low, one goes high.
It's got okay range.
Here's the other way.
I can shoot at least like 150 feet.
Oh,
I'm gonna put rounds down on the other side.
ooh, whoa, what the fuck?
I don't know, that window's
left corner. Go low. Left side, blue.
That window, watch out, dude. That window across the way.
Oh yeah, you can try to curve your BBs in. Oh, what up, Justin?
Two left corners.
Justin, what up? What up?
There's two left corners. Oh, not one, I got one.
There's green over
Hey.
here.
Hey, one left corner blue.
Hey, Boden, guys, we're gonna try to get in.
You know you're shooting sideways.
Are we good or?
Yeah, because the ball's curve in. Yeah.
Hey, can you go up to the wall?
That's
we're gonna
smart.
push.
Rose trick shot.
Alright, we gotta push. Is he peeking?
Nolan, radio.
Hey, listen. Hey, dude, can you cover us? We're gonna get in here. Alright, start shooting. Watch out, watch out, watch out.
We got Anderson here?
Watch out, what the fuck? Gun jammed, my fucking gun jammed.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, shit, now it works.
Dead man, got that guy.
Shit, my gun fucking started jamming, dude. Oh, it's weird.
Finicky selector.
Usually it's good, but...
Watch that window, guys.
Hey, we're at?
Fucking window, man. There's a guy laying down over there. There's a guy laying down over there.
We gotta get into base. We're trying to get in a police station. Oh, on our right?
You wanna try it?
If you want to move, I can cover you.
Got two guys down over there. I'm ready to go.
Here, get behind me.
I'm gonna go right here. I'm not gonna go. I gotta reload,
Bug
boys.
on your back. Oh, it's dead. I think it's dead.
You guys done?
I don't see
It's
anybody.
from the corner over there.
Hey, they're taking shots on the left. Hey, Connor just got killed.
That's cool. I don't give a fuck. Get the fuck over here. Stop being worthless. Fuck.
Oh, damn.
Well, you're just standing there when dudes are shooting on you.
Where's he at? Oh, shit. Oh,
Right here?
hold on. I gotta switch arms for this shit.
Oh shit, yeah, I see him. I can't shoot offhand. You're gonna have to take him for me.
I got him pinned.
You got him?
Yeah, pinned.
Oh shit.
I think I got him.
You got him?
I thought so. He made a fucking thing like that. You got him. Yeah, he's got.
Yeah, he's dead.
Alright, good shit.
That's up.
I hate offhand shooting, dude. It's the worst.
It sucks.
Oh shit. It's easier if we stand back here and shoot.
Should we try to get an angle out there?
Listen up, we just kinda like fucking kinda guys crouching, bro. We gotta do some shit. I don't know, I was hoping we could get an angle from here.
Are they blue?
Yeah, look, we can go strong side. Where at? Where? I got a magnifier. You want me to
Oh, we
check?
got guys in bank. Yeah, those are our guys in there.
Dude, look, we can shoot them from here on the strong side. See, look, oh shit, it's fucking foggy, bro.
Oh, it's
I can see the window. Yeah, I can see the window.
We've got guys in bank now.
Alright. I want to try to get up to the police station. Last year, friendly's dead. I don't think it's safe to go.
Definitely not.
Wait. What if we went to the right side of this building? How are we looking over there? Because if we go on the right side, there's a bush that would protect us kind of a little bit.
Oh, that's true.
And we could get into the police station from there. But we're going to need a few guys to push it with us. Substation. We need a few guys. Let's grab a few guys. Meet us some substation. We're gonna push the police. I'm gonna watch over here. You got the side?
Ian just got fucked.
Yeah, we're trying to get to police, so get to the substation. How the shit can you see through the fence? Oh, is it? Okay. Hey, we need a few guys. We need a few guys. Hey, we need guys to push in the police with us. We're trying to get to police. If you're coming with us, go now. Come on. Alright, we got one extra guy. Hey, Ghost, you good over there? Oh. He just went on his own. Alright, we gotta get to police. It's a strong point.
This gate's like.
Are they shooting the shit out of us over here?
Yeah.
Why don't we go this way and then just run it?
If we sprint out, we'll probably just die.
The Ghost is dead. Oh my god. Shit, they got us locked. Where are they? That's a problem.
Yeah, we also got friendlies putting down fire over there, so we have to tell them to stop
We're
shooting.
trying to get to the police station, which is over here. It's Cash Bank. And if we get in there, then we're going to be able to hold bank easy. I just hope they're not getting bars. Alright, you know what? Let's just start moving.
We got friendlies putting down rounds on the corner here, so tell them before you cross. Tell them before you cross. I hit that guy that shot me.
Alright, you guys can move. There's no one really.
There's no one?
Like, there's going to be people, so move fast. But there's no one I can see.
Pressing that dude.
Go. Go up to him. I got you guys.
Why you guys boggled up over here?
Go. We're trying to move to police station.
Hey, yo! Is there a dude still holding security over here down this way?
Yeah, there is.
Okay, so it doesn't make sense for you to stay there, man. So,
No, I'm trying to move.
bound over. Marshall, you go.
Hit!
Hey,
I got shot right in the face trying to cross.
me too, right here. Do I have a mark?
Yeah. Did I just get fucking hit? Or was that a ricochet?
Coming in the back!
You're gonna get domed by the left side. I crossed over there earlier and I got shot right in the face.
I caught a bullet.
Fuck you, Vicky!
Oh.
Alright. What? Can I run down the middle? No.
I think I'm gonna say fucking it, Joe.
You want? Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. Hey, Boden, where are they at? That was pretty good. Boden! I don't. Oh, you think? In police? Wait, what? Boden, I'm locking him down! Hey, in police station, right side of the door. That's where we got a guy right now.
Yeah.
Me and him. We got friendlies pushing up the police. Try to move. I'll cover. Boden, move. I got you. I got you. Go. Shit. He's on the right side. Right side. Hey, right side police station. I got him locked down. We're trying to get guys in the police station right now.
Nice.
I'm gonna try to move up with him. Hey, we good over there, bro?
Where?
Are we good straight down?
Straight down? Yeah, but those guys in the room, maybe in the corners.
We want to go this way.
Yeah, I could.
So, you know what? I'm gonna loop around.
Okay.
We're trying to get guys up in the police station. Where at? Can you cover me if I move to police? Yeah, go ahead. God damn!
Watch out for guy at substation. Our own teammate.
Our own teammate.
Huh?
Our own teammate, like killing us from substation.
We gotta get in here.
I'm gonna kick him in his fucking teeth.
Our teammate.
Yes.
Tell me where we go.
Fuck are you pulling up?
Oh. You want me telling me?
Or are you drawing it?
Get on the wall. I'll toss it right in.
I don't see him.
No, you're gonna have to get on this. Cover me. Because I'm about to toss it in. So get on the wall and
Is he in there?
Yeah, he's right where you guys are. What's up, this guy?
If you can switch sides, that'd be great. That's awesome.
By the way, guys, I was the green guy they were shooting at when they kept shooting you.